Hi, and welcome to the Rolling Studio, and welcome to my first art painting collaboration group, hashtag Artsy Second Sunday collaboration. This is a new group, and there's wonderful artists in this group, and we're going to be bringing you prompts every month, so I hope that you follow along with us on this hop and go to the next scheduled painting that you'll see. The next video, we're keeping these down to a minimum of at least 15 minutes minimum, or maximum rather. And so we're trying to make this super quick and easy so that you can follow along the whole art hop once a month. It's going to be the second Sunday, what's called Artsy Second Sunday. And I hope that you enjoy this collaboration. Mine is going to be done with paint inks. Paint pens rather, excuse me, and I've got a variety of them, and I have to go ahead and let you guys know that this is my version of the chinoiserie that I like to do, and the prompt this month for the first one is flowers. So I'm going to be using these Sharpie paint pens and the paint markers. You can see I've already been busy. So, but chinoiserie, if you don't know, is like the nails. It's like the blue and white plates that are so popular and forever going. There is a history story behind that, but I do have a video in my playlist for the chinoiserie, which I call stepwoiserie, because it's my own take on the chinoiserie style. And that's what this painting is going to be today. And I am, again, using paint pens on the gray toned paper by Strathmore. So if you like what I'm using, this is what I got from Michael's. You can use this right here for your pictures and paintings. I have to disclaim that my pens there at the end, for whatever reason, I don't know if I'm applying too much pressure, but they started going awry. So I had a little trouble with the face on my project, and you'll see that in the end. So I'm going to keep this short because I got a little bit of filming left to do, and I'm doing my intro kind of at the end because I want to see where I could go with it. So enjoy the video, enjoy the hop, and please make sure that you go to the next person's video. Okay, see you at the next one. Bye. picture. It's not the greatest, and I'm sure my proportions aren't all that, but it's my art, and I'm sticking to it. So I've been doing the chinoiserie style for a little while. There's some videos in a playlist called Stepwoiserie if you'd like to check it out. I've been wanting to do a ceramic horse figurine, and this is what this is. This isn't meant to be, you know, like lifestyle or anything like that. It's just a figurine, so that's why it's bulky and blocky. And unfortunately, like I told you, I did struggle on the head and face. Based off my pins, they went awry on me, but I struggled through it just the same. So now I know I'm gonna have to get some new nibs or replacement pins, which is, you know, kind of a shame because I really enjoyed the details over here that we got, and I was hoping to continue that in the face, but leave it to Beaver, something always has to go wrong. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this hop, and I also ended up putting some copper leaf on the paper, just for some accent color to throw off all the blue. I just quickly put it on there. It's not quite sealed yet, so I'll be working on that to soften it up. But overall, I really enjoyed it, and here is my Stephanie Pettis signature initials here in the picture. I always hide my SP in the picture. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you visit us next month, and I hope that you continue on this hop. So we will see you again next time. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll check you later. God bless, and have a beautiful day, evening, morning, noon, and night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.